Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Bolex Repair Philippines. In this video, I'm going to show you an inexpensive way to transport your Bolex camera and the rest of your equipment. This is good for film students, first-time Bolex users, and I do this obviously as well. I purchased these styrofoam coolers, and you'll see inside I have my Bolex. As well as my Seconic light meter. And I also pack in my cinematography vest, such as my Tamrec vest. It has lots of pockets for film and other things. The good thing about this is, using these styrofoam coolers, is that it appears you could be transporting food and drink. It's a good way to keep safe and not advertise your equipment to any type of possible thieves. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. One little tip here for your Bolex users, film students, and transporting your equipment, and anyone else who wants to use this. Please subscribe to my videos, my channel, and click like on my videos. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.